Hey guys, my name is Shivram from CosmoQuest, and this is what I believe and practice. If there is light at the end of the tunnel, there is profit at the end of the funnel. And if there is no profit, it should not be a funnel. So let's see what takes us to the profit. Okay, this question is for you. So, are you making enough profit from your marketing funnels? If you are not, then there is a problem that needs to be addressed. And you need to find out the gap and the problem area first. Second one is analyze the result and act to make profit, of course. So the solution is very simple, which we have been practicing for myself and for our clients, is to implement a full funnel marketing strategy that can solve all the problems. And it can help you get more profit from your existing efforts, as simple as that. So who is it for? Who is this video for, and what you will get? And if you are one of the following, you will get benefited from this video and you will find a solution. This is for agencies, coaches, B2B companies, SaaS companies, IT firms, and also consultants. So before we actually explore the full funnel marketing strategy and other stuffs, let us see what is possible. Let us have a look at few success stories. So we have successfully scaled a auto webinar funnel with a $27 product to 200,000 in revenue in a span of 16 months. So we have also used the power of social media and implemented full funnel through Facebook like through sharing educational videos to sell a $67 workshop to 240 people till now. We also generated $18,000 in upsells, services upsells basically, and also $3,000 in one-to-one consulting. Another ebook full funnel marketing we have implemented for a client where we started with a $7 ebook, then we got them to a $97 monthly masterclass, and this has happened in 1 month. Then another funnel is lead magnet funnel, where we started giving people free checklist and workbook leads magnet for a consulting business. Then we took them to a free consulting call, and till now this company has sold $12,000 worth services. Then group consulting is another funnel where we have tested it for a coach who teaches basically being more productive and being more efficient and effective in one's work. So she started with a free group consulting call, then one-to-one paid consulting, charging $1,200 to $3,000 per month per participants, and she is basically a LinkedIn coach. And this also works for coaches who are selling very popular topics like digital marketing or probably like selling on Amazon and other stuff. So this particular case study is for a coach who sells digital marketing packages and digital marketing training basically. So we do a 3-hour workshop, and we get 100 to 150 participants per workshop, and they sell upsell to 13% of the people, and they remarket the next level of product by email actually. So further upsell of 8% happens through email in a span of next 1 week of attending the workshop. Demo class funnel worked very well for a client who sells data science and Python related courses. So we invited people to a demo class, then they came to the counseling, and they are selling $800 course basically, and the cost per acquisition is roughly 120 to 180. So they are making good profit. This is another form of funnel, full funnel basically, where a large number of people come, where the cost per ticket or the entry is either free or very low, kind of like $1 just for the sake of validating the buyer. So we get 200 to 3,000 people depending on the type topics, and they have a 8% upsell. So it's a $100 to $1,000 product basically. And all these things is possible through a 360-degree full funnel marketing strategy, which solved all their problems. Now let's go to the problem, and this got them more profit from their existing effort. So now the problem is this: we have multiple funnels in place. There is a content marketing funnel, social media marketing funnel, lead magnet funnel, video view funnels, webinar funnels, and so on. Like, you can think of a flow and you can build a funnel around that. So the problem here is each funnel serves a purpose, of course. Many funnels are successful, but not completely towards the main goal, that is making a profit for the organization. We get profit in bits and pieces, but there are some gaps, there are some leakages also. Now the bigger problem is funnels should be linked to each other. So your email marketing funnel should be linked to your Facebook funnel. Your Google Ads funnel should be linked to your Facebook funnel also. So this does not happen in most of the cases. So there are independent funnels solving a micro purpose to get views, leads, sales, or engagement. That doesn't help actually. If funnels are interdependent but not linked, mark my words, if funnels are interdependent but not linked to each other, they won't work to the 100% efficiency. There will be leakages, there will be gaps basically. So this must be linked, and you as a business owner need to have a 30,000 feet bird's eye view of your funnels. You need to see everything crystal clear and understand how it is working. Then only you understand that. So what we need to do this, basically a full funnel approach, interlinked phases and interlinked funnels, micro funnel leading to another micro funnel, so that there is no gap between that. There is no data loss. There is no lead or prospect that is left out, and everybody is attended. Everybody is qualified and nurtured, and if they do not fit to your funnel, they are excluded. So you don't spend your time, money, effort on leads or prospects which are not going to convert. And everything is based on a clear and analytical decision framework. So you don't guess, there is no guesswork here. As such, digital marketing or a funnel marketing is completely based on data. And we need to check how many conversions is happening across the marketing funnel layers, basically from awareness to consideration to decision and purchase, and probably repurchase also. So let's have a look at a full funnel diagram so that we understand it better and you get a better picture. So let me share the screen here again and show you a funnel map of a full funnel diagram. So I'll take you one by one. It will take a couple of minutes to understand. The first and the strongest source of any funnel is website page viewers. So if you have a blog, if you have website pages, if you have videos in that, people come to that through Facebook, Google Ads, or through SEO, and we can remarket those people to sell a product. So we bring them to a landing page. So we do Instagram ads, Facebook ads, remarketing ads. We capture these people's data and do a remarketing ad here so that they come to the landing page. Also, people who have subscribed, they can be brought to the landing page. People who are in the website can be given a very meaningful and relevant call to action, so they can directly come to the landing page. Probably a hello bar kind of stuff can be given, or a pop-up can be given. Now this is one of the strongest funnel because people have already visited your website, not just your product or not just your landing page. If you already have customer list, you can keep them warm and keep them engaged through an email marketing, bring them to the landing page through the email marketing. Customer list can also be reached by other methods, basically SMS, WhatsApp, and other methods. I have not mapped it here. They can also be remarketed through Facebook ads and Instagram ads, so that they can know about the product and the services we are selling and come to the landing page. Another thing where we leverage the social media and social channels very much is create Facebook posts, Facebook stories, Facebook videos, and people who are engaging, people who are watching your videos to be retargeted through a Facebook ad. Same thing happens with Instagram. If you are publishing content on Instagram story, Instagram or Instagram post. By the way, Instagram story is fading away. They will mix it in the main thing. So Instagram story won't exist. I'm sorry. I'm extremely sorry. Instagram story will exist. IGTV will go away. So anyway, any kind of content that is posted on Instagram can be remarketed. People who are engaging with you. So these people are known people. They know about your brand. They have consumed your content. And if you remarket them through an ad, basically, they will have better chances of coming to the landing page and taking action. If you have customer list, we can also make a lookalike audience of that, and we can remarket. Lookalike audience is possible in Facebook. It works like a charm. So once they come to the page, ideally some people will travel to the next step and go to the sales page and purchase. If they miss that, we can again remarket them through Facebook and Instagram ad. If they come to the sales page and still do not buy, we remarket them again, give them an offer, and they purchase. So this is a simple format. I call it simple, even if it looks like a spider web, because this covers all the thing from like looking at your first Facebook post or Instagram post, or like viewing your blog or consuming some content on your website to purchase. These are there are basically 3 steps. And here we are leveraging the power of social, we are leveraging the power of long form content in form of a blog or a video with blog. We are using email marketing, we are using Instagram and Facebook ads, and we can use other formats also. And by doing this, what we are achieving is we are keeping them engaged. We are tracking their journey from start to end, and this keeps them engaged. So they engage. I talk about this concept, like, and if you are engaging, you are encashing. So you are always there in their mind, and this can help you stay in touch with your target audiences. And what happens next is basically we give 100% effort there. We do not miss any steps. We take care of the entire buyer's journey. We track them from end to end. So the moment they start, from the first touch point to the purchase, we are tracking them. We are actually engaging them meaningfully without bugging them, and based on their behavior, we are able to reaching out to them with the perfect marketing messages. So this actually helps them stay in touch with us, know more about us, so we can actually do awareness kind of content. We can tell about our brand, product, services, what problem it solves in the awareness stage. In the basically consideration phase, we can basically show them educational content, clear their doubts, help them know more, take their feedback, communicate with them through chats, emails, and other formats. And when they are taking the decision stage, we can give them the perfect offer so that they will think twice before saying no. So there is a complete engagement from one end to another end, from A to Z, and this will give them a good experience. And if they are not convinced, they will go out of the funnel, so that you can create an exclude list and don't show them your marketing messages again for the same product or services for some time. So that way you save time and money also. And this is all possible through a full funnel marketing strategy, and we are here to serve you. So we have been doing it for all kind of things. We have 13 coaches in our as a client list. We have 3 B2B clients as a client list. Then we are also working with many companies who are selling different products, natural beauty products, cosmetic products, and pet products, and other kind of stuff. So we have experience of this. We have been doing for quite some time, and let us connect to explore the full funnel marketing potential, how it can help you and how we can help you out, how we can work together. We always call ourselves as the extended marketing team member for you. We are here to work with you to solve your purpose. And if you grow, we also grow along with you. So we will not only audit your existing funnels, but also suggest what can be done for you for your existing funnels, and how we can stitch it to a full funnel marketing experience. So we are CosmoQuest. We started in 2002 as a web development company. We started developing web apps, started developing websites, marketing ready websites. So we have solved all kind of clients. So I call it from unknown to the UN is unknown to the United Nations. And we have experience of working with all kind of things, all kind of clients basically. And we are here eager to talk to you and reach out to you, and let us see how we can help you. I'll be looking forward to connecting with you. So please get in touch with us through the call to action, the schedule a call button in this page, and I'll be looking forward to meeting you, and we can discover, and find and fix the problems, and also scale it. So thank you, and all the best.